from Teddy, and today we have Teck skateboards here, and they're pretty cool. And it's kind of it's partnered with this skateboard company, Sovereign. So there's this one, which has, it's like a dog. It's weird. There's also this, which is like some art, some abstract art, you know. There's no object, it's just shapes and patterns. That's pretty cool. There's this one, which is part of this set, so that's cool. So I'm gonna assemble this guy, and I'm going to assemble this, which is some sort of sculpture, like a podium, or yeah, like a sculpture. So we're gonna need, of course, the little screwdriver and this thing, which is gonna hold the wheels, and I want the wheels to be black because it fits the skateboard, the back of the skateboard. So that's why. There's this one, and then we need things. We need a like screw. Put this in. And I think you have to, yeah, I'm gonna just do like, I'm gonna try and, I have to, I finally screwed this little thing on that holds the wheels. Now I'm gonna screw on the wheels, which is simple. The bolt on, and it should there. Okay, so we're gonna put this guy here, and we're gonna take out and then, no, we're gonna screw it a bit in, like slightly in, so it stays. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the other one. Here, screw it in a bit, so we can easily just, that's why I didn't completely screw in that one, because it moves. This thing moves. So I'm going to stick this sticker on to the Teck, and since this is facing that way, I'm going to put it on like this. Okay, we're peeling paper off, and I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so I stuck it on, and now it looks cool. It's I mean, not looks cool, but it's more like these guys. And also you can see the white, like the white outline, which makes it pretty cool. I don't know, it's pretty fun. So that's the Teck deck. That's the Teck. This is the Teck deck skateboards that we have now. Bye.